we talked about the 425 years of film history here in the U.S. and Cora, the president of LaFace, actually told us about the nomination. So they have an ongoing awards search for people that have excelled here in our community. And one of those, I think you should be nominated. You should be nominated as well. Both our guests this afternoon.
Yeah.
Kuya Bernie, welcome back to Kababayan, LA.
Glad to be back here, saying hello to your fans out there.
Ayan. And of course, Alexis Monsanto, the designer who's worked with the likes of Kate Beckinsale, Drew Barrymore, Jordan Sparks, Charlize Theron, Jessica Alba, Megan Fox.
And soon, Janelle Snow.
Yes, naks naman. Thank
Magandang
you.
hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan. And Alexis, what's it like working with Hollywood A-listers? Talaga bang, is it in yung nakikita natin na very meticulous ba sila talaga, or?
Oh yeah, it comes with it because it's their image. So it comes with it, with all the demands, but they sit very nicely, and then their assistants will, making all the, the legwork of like preparing. They will not say like, oh, this, but this is the wish list of Miss.
Hindi sila magdediretso sa'yo.
Yes.
So they go through some.
Have you encountered any of diva?
Yes, totally.
Sample
Most of them, like, they're like, I'm not going to name names, like.
What's the worst? Don't name names. What's the worst?
Like, they just want everything, like, when they do the fittings, like, I only have like 10-15 minutes.
Meron ka bang nakikitang pattern sa mga stars na to na, you know that they're stars in terms of what they like, in terms of their taste?
I guess, yeah, in terms of taste, they really have like really good taste though, and they're very particular on something that they want, and you cannot just like, you try to like work it out, like try to coach them, but they have a set mind already. I guess it comes with it because they've been like they've done so much training already, and that's where they are right now,
And somebody with such an eye for fashion as Alexis, he is actually going to be the lead judge at the Queen Lola pageant. The event is happening on August 18th. And Bernie, kamusta naman? I know you've been involved with this from start to finish. Kuya Bernardo is going to be one of the MCs.
I'm also directing the show, and you're in for a treat. I was so pleasantly surprised during the latest screening, August 5.
August 5, sa Glendale.
My God, the backstories of these wonderful lolas, they'll make you cry, they'll make you laugh, and amazing talents. Nakakita ka na ba ng lolang nag-hip-hop? Nakakita ka na ba ng lolang marunong mag-karate?
Oh my God, yes, really.
Ang lolang mula nung she was 15 years old, walang ginawa kundi alagaan ang kanyang 40 family members, and ngayon 80-something na siya.
And very sharp pa din.
Sharp, mapagmahal, very compassionate. Yung mga traditional Filipino values andun pa rin. Tapos wedded with American
and so this is going to be a wonderful show on August 18th. It's actually going to be televised as well. We are going to tape that, and we're going to air it on Channel 18. If you want to be on TV as well, even from the guests, from the audience lang, ayan, information on the screen, also number to call for the tickets. And this is what I want to ask you also, Alexis, because now you've been in the fashion industry for a long time. Pag pageant, syempre may long gown. Meron iba-ibang, yes. Anong mga fashion tips mo sa mga medyo a little bit, mga lolas?
Well, other than, dressing appropriately, hindi naman, basta lang confident lang po sila. At kasi pag there's the affinity between the dress and the wear of the dress, then the spirituality comes into it. So lalabas na yung yung pag nagtugma na yung dalawa.
This has to be a match.
Yeah.
Pwede may isingit ako sa bagay.
Yes.
We were invited to watch the show, right? Well, people who will buy tickets, you can win prizes. We will have a raffle during the tabulation of the...
Right.
Yeah.
And I know that part of the ticket sales are also going to, is also going to Gawad Kalinga. Yes. But the benefit of this event is...
Bantay Bata.
Bantay Bata Fund. So nakatulong ka na, nag-enjoy ka na, nakatulong ka pa.
May premyo ka pa.
May premyo ka pa. As a judge, tatawa ka pa kasama si Kuya Bernie. And Fede de los Reyes, right?
Yes.
As a judge, ano bang hinahanap? Ano bang criteria for judging?
Well, we have the confidence and personality. Kasi as a lola, and then they're going to be judged also with their evening wear. They're going to be coming out with that, and then meron po tayong talent portion. They shop, they have they're like they wanted to be an actress or they want to be like a ballroom dancer. Like you can just believe that they're going to show up their talent. That's going to be taking place on Friday for the talent show. And then we have the Q&A, the question and answer, and the ranking from the different judges. But then we are also giving special awards.
Okay,
you know?
ano mga special awards na yan?
They're going to
Miss
be
Talent.
judged under
Miss Talent?
that's Miss Talent.
Ano pa?
The Best in the Evening Wear. They're going to be coming out. And then they're gonna be you have the Miss Sunshine.
Oo, parang Miss Friendship?
No, that's like the Miss Photogenic thing.
Ah.
For the press.
So para siyang media darling or something like
Yes,
that.
and then we had the Miss Friendship along the way that they developed, with the peers. Yung mga
The candidates will vote for
contestants.
that.
And then we had the Miss Popularity. We're in like the support from the family, community, kung sinong makakahakot ng mga maraming
guests.
fans.
Yes.
They will be cheerers, that would be great.
And this is gonna be held at
The Glendale Auditorium.
And what is the capacity? Naku, baka mag-overflow.
Nasa 1,000 plus naman yan.
So kaya. And how many contestants are there?
Ang finalists namin, finally whittled down to be 12.
12. 12 is still a lot.
12 to 15.
Yeah.
But eventually, kasi parang semi-finals yan, and then may finals portion and Q&A. Parang Miss You in a sense, but not quite the beauty of figure and brains kind of the contest.
I am so excited. This is the first time that it's ever being done in our community. It's time to pay tribute to the Lolas. Thank you so
The
much.
Manangs of Philam.
The Manangs. Thank you so much to both of you. More power.
Salamat to you.
Maraming salamat for having us here.
I'll see you on August 18th, correct? Yes. All right.
Join us, please.
Yes, the Quick Brown Fox is back on Kababayan LA with stories from the Philippines. You wouldn't want to miss that. Don't go away.